Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and unedited version of this body cam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our Patreon. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of shoplifting, trespassing, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and being under the influence, and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
Hands at behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna have one male 41, two of them fled towards Morford. Chris, go back up, Sarge. You have anything on you or no? Go to Sarge, he's back there. Just your phone.
Around 2:38 a.m. on October 2nd, 2023, Patrolman Preston Mellaci with the Red Bank Police Department apprehended a burglary suspect on Morford Place. The suspect, later identified as Jean Ramos, was placed under arrest. A search of his person revealed that he was in possession of a mobile phone and his identification card, along with some cash. Jean admitted to coordinating with the two other alleged co-conspirators, and he also told Patrolman Mellaci that he came to Red Bank by train.
Yeah, I'm 10-4.
I have no weapons.
Okay, we got one outstanding. Last seen running towards Riverside.
All right.
John Day parking lot.
They were wearing all black. All I saw was black sweatshirt. One of them had writing on the back. Get on your knees real quick. Are you good or no?
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
All right. You okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna fucking pull up your pants for you.
I'm sorry.
Where are you guys coming from?
Yeah, I'm currently living in London.
Alright. Can you get on your knees?
Yeah.
Stand, I'm 10-4 if you want to back them up. Can you sit up? Stand up for me?
If I get in that curve, I could try to, like, push myself up.
You want to hustle your way over?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to walk to my car. It's over here. How many people did you come with?
There's the three of us.
What car did you guys come in?
Oh, I came in the train.
I'm walking them to my car. They said that they all came from the train, so they should still all be on foot.
My pants is about to fall down.
Alright.
18, three
I got you.
little silver units en route to you for assistance.
Yeah, I'm good.
It's good now, thank you.
What's up?
I said it's good now, thank you.
You're good.
Yeah.
Right now we have two. How many are we looking for?
Stan, I have one in custody. There should be two more.
Sarge has one also.
Oh. We're gonna go on the other side of my car, alright?
Alright.
Sure you good, man?
Yeah. What do you have on you? Just your phone?
My phone,
That's
my
it?
wallet.
Give me 1 second. Where's all your shit in here? What is this? It's nothing that's gonna stick or poke me?
That's my keys.
Alright.
Phone and wallet in there.
Alright. I'll put that in there. Have a seat, alright?
Alright.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright. Transporting one, male, 41, 3.
Jennifer, I still need that second road you sent there. We're sending another red sheet. You'll come back to you. Good. The one county. Freaking route. Thanks.
17 around something. Alright, you can step out. Give me 1 second. You're already in the store right here. Right up here, make a left.
Now 41 Celsius.
Right, straight.
Straight over there.
Yeah. Just stand in this hallway right here. Face away from it. Alright, come with me. How old are you?
27.
27. And we're gonna go right in this room right here.
Open ease.
You have a seat. Jean,
Yeah.
is that your car?
Oh yeah, that's my man.
Okay. Well, you just have money in here?
Yeah, no, that's my money.
stand up again.
Close it.
You have anything in your back pockets at all or no?
Not sure.
Let me take this off you real quick. Not bad. You good?
That's alright, yeah.
You have a shirt on under here?
Yeah.
You don't have anything else on you, right?
No.
I'm gonna take the cuffs off of you real quick. I need you to take your shoes off and then also sweatshirt.
Alright.
Alright? Put that one on your head. Alright. You just take off your sweatshirt. Are you good? I didn't hurt you or anything?
No, I'm fine.
And then shoes. Yeah. You can take your shoes off, and I just need to make sure that you have, do these come off? Do you have shorts on underneath or anything?
No.
Alright. Just take your socks off and just make sure that there's nothing in there, and then you can put your sock back on. Alright, you're good. You have, what, boxers on underneath?
Yeah.
Okay.
ECU 123, 10-4.
And just shake that out real quick.
123, 10-4, and AT's talking to possible victims.
Because of the zippers, you're gonna have to take your pants off before you get in the cell, okay?
Yeah, from just
You good with that?
So I'm just gonna be
In your boxers? I can't let you in the cell with the zippers on your pants.
I'm gonna be the only one in that cell?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Alright.
If I'm the only one, yeah. So leave the shoes here?
Yeah, you can leave the shoes here, leave the sweatshirt here, and then I'm just gonna have to take off your pants because of zippers.
Take course 10-11 New Jersey Range. Department number, the order. Good.
Patrolman Mellaci transported Jean back to Red Bank Police HQ, where he was searched in more detail and placed in a holding cell. He was charged with the following offenses: burglary to C, 18-2, and resisting arrest to C, 29-2A1.
You good?
Yeah.
That's water. You good?
Yeah.
That's water if you need it in the bathroom, alright?
Alright.
I'll be with you shortly.